Unravel your full potential in Slovenia, a land of fantastic business opportunities, where sustainable companies such as Aquafil are giving new life to waste materials by producing synthetic fibers for garments and interiors. Thanks to its regenerative system, Aquafil Group has been a global pioneer in the circular economy for many years now. As a creator of an endless product life cycle, it has a leading role in developing new sustainability models. Today, AquafilSLO is a center of innovative technologies that enables the whole Aquafil Group to constantly rethink products and meet quality standards in order to build a better world for future generations.
Research is one of the basic pillars of Aquafil because it allowed us to always look ahead, to innovate, to continuously improve and to create products that are efficient and eco-friendly. As our chairman, Mr. Giulio Bonazzi, often says, we believe that sustainability is not a goal, but a way of thinking, a principle we must be guided by. The electricity used in our process comes exclusively from renewable sources, while the excess heat from the manufacturing process is used to heat the infrastructure.
Having received many awards for their achievements, Aquafil is pushing the boundaries of creativity while setting a new standard for eco-friendly production. With green solutions, such as the ECONYL regenerated nylon, Aquafil transforms waste into regenerated raw material and takes real measures to protect the planet. By being green, creative and smart, AquafilSLO is an example of the advanced Slovenian economy and one of its valued ambassadors. Discover limitless possibilities in Slovenia, a land of infinite potential for your business. Make the most of it.